Bonjour, bienvenue au French Tech Podcast. Welcome to the French Tech Podcast here at the retrospective of the second day of the Big Data World Conference. And we're here with the man himself, with the organizer, Neil Halliday. Welcome.
Hi, how's it going?
Yeah, very good. Well, we had a great time here at the conference. I hope things went very well for you as well.
I mean, again, I can't believe how well it's gone. Last year, everybody was sort of happy. This year, it seems to have doubled in happiness again. Like, I haven't had a bad word said about anything. And like, all the theatres have been full. The speaking sessions have been great. Sponsors have been happy. Like, it's just, I couldn't have asked for anything more. You know, it's been really good.
What a great metric, happiness.
Well, I think so. Yeah.
Isn't that the best metric, though?
It
Yeah, it's
definitely
fantastic.
is, yeah.
Yeah. Well, I've seen a lot of smiling faces.
Yeah.
I've heard nothing but great feedback here. We've been asking people for short testimonials. Everyone's been really, really excited about this conference, right?
Absolutely, yeah. What was your highlight, Neil?
Honestly, I like the TIBCO's first session in the morning, right on day one.
Yeah.
I walked into the keynote theatre and couldn't get in the door. It was so packed, and I think that set the standard for the rest of the conference. Like, every session I've been into has been more or less full. Like, all the sponsors that I was chatting to, they were saying that they're really, really happy with how everything's gone. And I know She Loves Data has been incredible this year. We added on the workshop space. Super interactive, like all the guys have been getting involved doing some like hands-on training and stuff like that. It's been really good addition to the actual content itself. It's been amazing.
Excellent.
Yeah.
I think that's a good time for a shameless plug, because we got She Loves Data and TIBCO on podcast. So if you want to know about what they're talking about, I will go through the videos, you'll see what they have to talk about.
Absolutely. It was definitely one of the highlights. I mentioned it yesterday as well for me personally, because it's a subject that I really care about and believe in.
Yeah.
Data literacy at scale, inclusiveness, those are really things that resonate with me. Mm-hmm. Yeah, absolutely. What was your highlight of the day?
Well, it's going to be redundant, but She Loves Data was really good for me, because I've been a sponsor since the very beginning of what they do. Like, I think we produced their first video. So French Tech and Co-Creation Lab, we helped produce their first video and paid for it with the money of another partner, obviously. But it was a good thing. I think I've heard that they're still using it. So
yeah, I've seen it as well. I mean, I remember I started working with those guys back even before She Loves Data, when they were still Kabula, and then Miro and She Loves Data came about. It's just been amazing watching how that whole thing has grown, everybody getting involved, and
massive traction, massive growth over the last couple of years.
It's fantastic.
And it really, and that brings it back to what we were saying yesterday, right? Like, all of these conversations that we're having here, and I guess that's true for you as well. They start with data, but they always come back to humans, right? Yeah. And the thing that struck me in that today is that we've been talking a lot about the impact that data analytics has on business, also on lives, on the planet. We've been talking energy efficiency.
Yep.
We had a conversation on cooling data centers, on reducing the carbon footprint of data analytics, machine learning. And so it all ties into us becoming better human beings and taking better care of each other.
It's a nice analogy. I like that.
And on that point, I think that's fun. Like, I was more in backstage, and like everyone was coming to the podcast kind of a bit nervous what's going to happen to me. All left with a smile on their face, and kind of like happy to be sharing about the stuff they're doing, and just happy to be here and to have great interactions. And I think that was a great human experience around that. So
I think we're stealing your metric.
No. Look, I was going to weigh in and say exactly the same. I didn't know how everybody would sort of react to the sort of podcast, because obviously there's a growing part of the industry now. Everybody's getting more and more into the podcast, but like you're saying, there's a bit of trepidation when they come in. But every time I've walked past, everyone's been laughing, getting involved. It seems like it's just a really good sort of experience. It's a good little thing to have as part of the event. It's been awesome having you guys here. It's been really great.
No, that's great to hear.
Thank you so much for taking 2 days to come and do this, man. It's been awesome.
A great experience. Hope to be back next year. And definitely, if you haven't signed up for next year, well, it's probably not open yet, but you should definitely come next year.
Call me.
All right, thank you so much. Thanks for taking the time to share.
Well, thanks to you both as well.
Thanks,
it's been awesome.
And we'll be displaying your number on the video, right? So that people can call you.
Absolutely. That will be all over your DMs.
Beautiful.
All right, thanks.